Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is in the social media field. It is non-phone. We're going to dive all into it. The link to this application page, if you want to put that application, is in the YouTube description box below this video. And real quickly, I just want to ask, I'm trying to revamp my channel a little bit and try to figure out what direction I'm going to go in for the rest of the year. So if you have any suggestions on things I could do differently or how I can make this channel better and better helpful for you, please leave them down in the comments below. Let me know, are you getting burned out on work from home jobs? Is there only certain kinds that you're looking for? Anything specific that will help me out, please leave it below. But today's job lead is from the company The Muse. Now, The Muse is a job search website and platform. I actually use them to run this channel. I check them weekly to see any new jobs that they've posted. They are hiring a social media editor and community manager. This is full-time remote for my United States folks only. But the key responsibilities of this job are managing the calendar and day-to-day scheduling across key platforms. That's going to be Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. This includes both editorial and branded content. You'll monitor the daily platforms for any trending topics that have to be going on for that day and proactively add in organic content as part of those conversations. So you'll take pride in QAing content to ensure that all posts that are published are intended to be present for and communicating real-time fixes. You'll also be monitoring the comments and engaging with users, especially the Muse's clients. You'll help develop and grow the presence on TikTok and YouTube as well. And then you'll also interpret and respond to data, making particular note of what posts are underperforming and adjusting the calendars accordingly. Now, they do want somebody who has 3 to 5 years of experience working on or running multiple social media accounts. Someone who's a social media expert who believes in the power of social connection and community growth. Have you ever ran a Facebook group? Someone who excels at producing high quality social forward content. Someone who is data driven, and of course, they prefer somebody who has a bachelor's degree with a major in some kind of journalism or multimedia or communications, but that is preferred and not required. Now, they are paying very well for this position. They're paying anywhere from $65,000 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year, and offering a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, all the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.